Every Angular app you see is actually a tree of components working together. From a simple button to an entire dashboard, components are everywhere. So what exactly is a component? Think of components as the basic building blocks of your Angular UI. Just like Lego bricks, each component is a self-contained piece that you can combine with others to build complex applications. Your app is literally a hierarchy of these components, starting from a root component at the top. Every component has three main parts. First, the app component decorator, which defines metadata like the selector, template URL, and styles. This decorator is what tells Angular this class is a component. Second, the template, which is the HTML that defines what users see. And third, the TypeScript class, which contains the component's logic and data. You can also include styles to control how it looks, either inline or in separate files. Components don't live in isolation. They communicate with each other using inputs and outputs. The @input decorator lets a parent component pass data down to a child component. The @output decorator, combined with event emitter, lets a child send events back up to its parent. This creates a clear data flow in your application. Angular components also have lifecycle hooks. These are methods that run at specific moments in a component's life. ngOnInit runs after the component is initialized, perfect for setup logic. ngOnDestroy runs just before Angular destroys the component, ideal for cleanup. There are several others for different stages of the component lifecycle. To nail this in an interview, remember components are the fundamental building blocks that combine a decorator, template styles, and logic to create reusable UI pieces. Master these, and you master Angular. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.